The C-17, and on the mic will be Captain Brian Duran from the USAF Pacific Air Force's C-17 Aerial Demonstration Team.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and as we say in beautiful Hawaii, aloha! I'm Captain Brian Caron from the United States Air Force's 15th Wing at Joint Base Pearl Harbor, Hickam, Hawaii. Proudly representing Pacific Air Force's C-17 Globemaster III Aerial Demonstration Team.
Cool.
The C-17 made its first flight in September of 1991. Since then, the aircraft has set over 20 world records, including payload to altitude, time to climb, and the longest airdrop mission in history. This reliable airlifter combines the intercontinental cargo carrying capabilities of large aircraft such as the C-5 Galaxy or the IL-76 with the short field landing potential of the much smaller C-130 Hercules. Now approaching from your left, the aircraft will perform a slow speed pass. Ladies and gentlemen, please get your cameras ready as this will be your best opportunity to take photos of this amazing state-of-the-art machine. The crew for today's demonstration is Major Mike Pasquino, Captain Bill Greer, and Major Anthony Guerreri, all graduates of the United States Air Force Academy, classes 2001, 2004, and 2000 respectively. Joining them today is Loadmaster Staff Sergeant Chris Baker. This highly experienced crew has a combined total of over 12,000 flying hours in various Air Force aircraft. This remarkable airlifter has a few characteristics that make it truly unique, including the ability to take off and land in 450 meters and back up under its own power while on the ground. The C-17 has modified wings, allowing it to lift extremely heavy loads with less effort. The aircraft has essentially the same wingspan as an IL-76, but can carry literally over twice the payload.
Sail through an empty night, so only you and I will understand.
Ladies and gentlemen, in case you're wondering how big the C-17 is,